Now the way I'm hooking these worms, guys, these are just live red worms. I'm just hooking them through one end, usually the fatter end, and I'll just run that hook right through that worm and keep the worm on the shank. And about halfway up the worm, pierce the hook through, and that's what you're left with. All right, let's get it out there. Fish on. We got us another. Fish on. Oh yes sir. Another good sized one there. We got one on, yes sir. Woo, what we got here today? Oh yeah, good old Fat Creek Shiner. That's a good old Fat Creek Shiner right there, guys.